Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add Q&A to your Google Business profile step by step. If you want to answer customer questions or add frequently asked questions to your business listing, this guide will help you do it properly. Let's get started. Google Business Profile allows customers to ask questions directly on your business listing in Google Search and Google Maps. As a business owner, you can also add and answer questions yourself to provide helpful information. Step 1. Sign in to your Google account. Make sure you are logged in with the Google account that manages your business profile. Go to Google and search for your business name. You should see your Business Profile Management panel. Step 2. Go to the Q&A section. On your public business listing, scroll down until you see the Questions and Answers section. Click on it. If you don't see it immediately, open your listing in Google Maps and look for the Q&A section there. Step 3. Add a question. Click Ask a Question. Here's an important tip. You can post frequently asked questions yourself from your personal Google account. Type a common customer question like, "What are your business hours on weekends? Do you offer home delivery?" Click Post. After posting the question, switch to your business owner account if needed. Now click Answer under the question. Provide a clear and professional answer. For example, "Yes, we are open from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. on Saturdays and Sundays." Your answer will be marked as coming from the business owner, which builds trust. Step 5. Add multiple FAQs. Repeat this process for common questions such as pricing, parking availability, appointment booking, and payment methods. This helps customers find answers quickly without calling you. Step 6. Turn on notifications. To make sure you don't miss new customer questions, go to your business profile settings, enable email or app notifications for new questions. This allows you to respond quickly and maintain a professional image. Important tips. Keep answers short and clear. Avoid promotional or spammy language. Monitor the Q&A section regularly. Even customers can answer questions, so it's important to provide the correct official response. And that's it. That's how you add and manage Q&A on your Google Business profile step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple and practical business tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.